Yes, guys, hope you can see my screen now, everyone. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let us see about the Nifty first. Let's see few about, let us go through the stocks and the indexes actually, and then we will go on to the stock, and then we will learn few important topics which I already told you. So, guys, can anybody tell me what is the trend in Nifty now? What is the trend? I'm asking trend.
Uptrend, sir.
Trend clear. So, can I? Is there any entry for me right now according to indicators? Sorry, indicator or candlesticks and all. We can't take any entry, right?
You can't, sir. Can't.
Yes, we have no. Neither buy nor sell right now. It is in that scenario. So, but I would say, see, very important thing. What I'm observing is the high of these two are almost same. See, high of the previous second candle is uh, 10,176, and this is 10,177. So this high is really important. Just mark it out. This is in a spot, right? The high of Nifty is really important. Okay, so make sure, you follow this. Just focus on the high. And this week from Monday to Friday is a really important thing in the, for the Indian market, as it is a trend deciding week. Either market can go down or can go up. As of now, though, we have nothing. Let us see if anything, if we can get any kind of entry according to candles or something on Monday. If anything, I'll update you. So regarding Nifty, we have nothing to say right now. And let us see about Reliance. Before that, I will, I hope you guys can remember about ITC, which I told you 205 was our target, and the target got hit. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
same day we have done, and the target was 205. And if you can see about Tata Steel, same thing happened with Tata Steel. 316 was our target, and even it went up to 340. Okay, so can anybody tell me which stage Tata Steel is in right now, guys?
Trend, Arjun.
Trend is what right now? What is
So uptrend, sir.
trend? Is
Uptrend.
Trend is buy, and according to price action, which phase it is?
It's sir, advancing.
Second phase.
Advancing stage.
Let us see about others. Are you sure about advancing, everyone?
We cannot
Yes, sir,
confirm that
advancing.
yet.
Sir,
It's
it's accumulation down. In downtrend, it is accumulation. After touching the moving average, it has gone to advanced stage, sir.
Yes, guys, you can see it is in advanced stage. Advanced stage is started in Tata Steel. Are you sure? Advancing phase. Second phase has started in Tata Motor. Clear? Everyone, make sure.
Yes, sir.
And watch this properly. You can get a really good entries. You can buy some call options according to this. Watch it on Monday market, and you can get some. The immediate target Tata Steel is maybe 378. It came out from the first phase accumulation, and it is right now in advancing. Keep it in mind. It is in advancing. One can make use of this. Clear? You can even note it down, guys. It will help you a lot. And let's see about SBI. You can see this. Can I buy or can I sell SBI according to indicators?
No, we have to wait.
Nothing, sir.
Wait for one day tomorrow, and then you will get a clarity. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And I hope, like last week only we have told you about SBI that there was an engulfing, right?
Yes, sir.
Bullish engulfing was there. So now this is what happened. So let us see what will happen in SBI. So we are expecting, based on the next day or based on the Monday market, we can decide the moment of SBI. Okay, and if we want to see about Cipla, okay, instead of that, we have gone to, again, let's see about Ajanta Pharma. I told you last week. Can you see what happened? Again, a false breakout. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hope you're observing. That is what happens where, you know about breakout and the false breakout. So make sure and keep your eye on this. Okay, about Ajanta Pharma. It is still, what is the trend in Ajanta Pharma now? Anybody?
Third page.
Sir,
Trend.
uptrend, sir.
Yes,
Uptrend,
Trend.
sir.
trend is uptrend only, but
Yes.
no entry as of now. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes. So, and then any stock you guys want me to do or something?
Airtel.
Airtel. Okay. Bharti Airtel. Yes. Anybody? What is the trend? Trend is up. And any, I would say, do you guys think is there any entry point for us in
No.
Bharti Airtel?
No, sir.
Seriously, no. I don't know how you see. See, there is an engulfing. Can you say this? Bullish engulfing.
Yes.
Sir, it
Yes,
will
bullish.
decide after tomorrow's market openings, no, sir.
Yes.
How come?
No, it is bullish engulfing.
Bullish engulfing is there. But what will be the status of tomorrow's opening, sir?
I see
Can we predict?
see pattern. We got bullish engulfing. Remaining two rules are not yet
Yeah.
clear, but there is a
Yeah.
pattern bullish engulfing here. If the market closes
Yes, sir.
above 585, then you can 586, then you can go with a buy in Bharti Airtel. Only above 580.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So this is one among the thing which you have to keep it on the entire week. SBI and Bharti Airtel, these two are you have to keep on. And Tata Steel. Clear? And see about
Okay.
Tata Motors. Hope you can see this. What happened later on? Which says Tata Steel, Tata Motor is right now?
Second stage.
Yes, it is in second stage. Keep an eye on this. Advancing phases started in Tata Motor. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Don't miss this. Really don't miss this. It's really a good entry point. Okay, hope let us see Reliance, last one, and then we'll start our subject, which I wanted to tell you personally. Now tell me, I want to know about from you guys how to decide about what will happen with the indicators. No entry with candles. Is there any entry we are getting with respect of candles right now?
Yes.
What entry?
Bearish hammer.
Yes. Guys, can you say this? Bearish hammer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remaining guys, bearish hammer is the entry right now, and along with that, you can see this is the. There is disturbance from somebody. Kindly mute yourself. Fine. You can see again the importance of breakout and false breakout really helps you a lot. Can you see this? I'm just gonna draw a line here. This is the place where market has came most of the time this level. Am I right? Previously.
Yes, sir.
And it went down. So it is really important for one to decide whether the market can go up or market can go down. So you can see Reliance has made a bearish hammer, and regarding breakout also we have to learn. We are going to learn today, right? That we'll see, and that is what it happens. Can you guys see this?
Yes.
Clear? So Reliance is the one among the below 1573 or 1572. One can go short in Reliance. You can note it down. This also, we are not. I'm not simply doing this for because I am free or because you are free. Okay, it has to be useful. Keep an eye. And tomorrow, if the Reliance goes below 1572, and if it closes below 1572, then definitely you guys can start by the put for the entire week. I'm damn sure. And I'll even update you in a group. Clear? Someone remind me and
Yeah.
keep
Okay,
eye
sir.
on this and remind me tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Hope this is really important. Like it helps Reliance. Okay. Hope any other stock you guys want me to, personally, or anything you
DLF.
have observed.
DLF.
DLF. Okay, Tushar has given Indigo as well. So yeah, this is a DLF. Can anybody, tell me? What kind of entry we are getting in DLF? Trend is up. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
According to price action, which stage it is right now?
First. Uh,
Accumulation itself, sir.
first stage.
Means it
Yes.
is in advanced stage.
It is an
No,
accumulation.
now it is in
Still
first.
accumulation.
Yes.
Clear? DLF is in accumulation still. Okay.
Yeah. It has not.
With the help of indicators, it gave you a buy signal at 140. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Indicator is buy. According to price action, it is down. And how about candles? Can anybody tell me?
Yeah, but candlestick saying it will go high.
Anybody come on? See, by looking at the chart within 5 seconds, you have to tell. I don't know.
Sir,
Bullish
that is
hammer.
hammer.
Bullish hammer.
hammer is there, sir.
Who said this
No,
is
no.
bullish hammer is happened in
Sir,
uptrend?
no,
Valid.
sir.
Okay. Say this.
Bearish.
There was a
Hammer.
bearish,
Bearish hammer.
Yes.
But-
Bearish hammer.
but first rule is confirmed pattern. Second rule is also clear because market went down. What is the third rule?
Yes.
Third rule is confirmed.
Not it.
Not yet, right?
Yes.
Not
Yes.
yet, sir.
Wait for the third rule. But don't even forget this also because this is not an entry point for us. But keep it in mind the formation of bullish engulfing also. Sorry, bullish hammer also. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. So keep an eye on DLF because see it may again retest 140 level. Possibility is there, but if it goes high above 163, then I'm damn sure it is going to be advancing phase. Okay,
Yes.
DLF. Don't simply watch. Whenever you watch, you start attending the class on a weekly. Sit with a pen and a paper and note down whatever the things we said about a particular stock. That will help you. Clear? Try to work on those stocks particularly. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. This is the Indigo. Yeah, it's really a good, find out. Yeah. Say this, guys. Can anyone tell me which any analysis? What is the trend in Indigo?
Uptrend and
Uptrend, sir.
accumulation.
And what is the phase?
Second phase.
Advancing phase.
Yes. Now you can. I'm not telling advancing is started, but I would say a chance is more. Advancing phase
Okay.
chance is really too much. And according to indicators, someone can buy in Indigo for a long term. Clear? About around 1,000 level. Clear? So advancing phase may start. I mean, possible moment. I'll let you know. It may happen something like this. It can come. It can retest here, and then it can go. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So keep a radar on this, and like if anything is there, I'll personally inform you guys. Clear? Yep. Hope Tushar, you got your answer about Indigo, right? Clear?
Sir, Sun Pharma.
Yes.
Sun Pharma, sir.
Sunfirma or Sir Sunfirma?
Sun Pharma.
Sunfirma.
It made
Anybody? What is the Sunfirma?
bearish. Yeah.
Yes.
Bearish
hammer,
hammer is there, sir.
Bearish hammer. This is how like one can make use of TMOC. If you guys are doing a TMOC, then this will help you a lot. Am I right? See, Sun Pharma has given a bearish engulfing. So below 142, you guys can make use of this, and it will help you a lot in coming week. Below 492. Below 492, it may go down. Okay. Note it down and keep an eye on this. You may do an intraday, or you can even do a put option you can buy. So Sun Pharma is one among the stock which you can work it on for the entire week. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And again, I have got one more query from Tushar. It is a Titan. Okay. Can we do anything with the Titan?
No.
Right now, no. But what is the price action is telling?
Buy signal.
Price action is telling buy.
No,
Hiraya?
we have to wait. We have to wait.
For long term, nothing at all. But for intraday, I would suggest you can see this. You know, yeah, you can see a bearish hammer has formed. Am I right?
Yes.
So again, below 979. But I'm telling below 979, you can look for a sell entry. Clear?
Okay.
Which is a Titan. Okay. Hope you guys are getting this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me know. See, note down. Try to note down everything and try to focus on only these stocks. If I see what are the stocks, Arrow Pharma, Sun Pharma. Okay. And then if you see about this Titan. Okay. And then Reliance. These 4-5 stocks are more than enough for you, right? Instead of, see, you know, right? There is a one famous quote. Okay, some boxer said this, Ali or something his name. I fear I am not bothered about a person who tried a shot 10,000. Who tried many shot. Who tried 10,000 shots 10,000 times. But I fear about a person who tried one shot for 10,000 times, because he'll be perfect in that. So if you're only watching these stocks for this only week, I am damn sure you will get any one among the stock in your radar, which is going to be a huge. Who knows, Reliance may fell down 200 points and your 10 rupee option may go to 50 rupee. Am I right? You
Yes.
just need one stock to make you money, right? Guys, you getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
Fine. You just need one stock to make you money or something like that. Don't focus on 1,000 stocks or nothing. It's of no use. Okay. Fine. One more is Indus Land Bank. Hope Titan, you got the answer. Indus Land. Indus IND. Okay. Yes. Can anybody tell me? It is still in a buying point. Am I right? It is sustaining above the moving average. One can buy Indus IND, but again, see, according to indicators, it is buy. But how about according to candles?
According to candles, bearish Sarami.
Yes, here is a bearish rummy. You getting my point?
Yes.
And see, why I told you 3 rules about how to analyze any stock is 3 things is to give you a perfect picture. Even according to 3 things, according to price action, it is first stage. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is how it is. So even though indicator is telling you buy, but price action and candlestick both are telling you not to buy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hold on. If 3 were telling you to buy, you go buy. Because see, Tata Steel are telling you buy all the 3. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, that is the important. So Indus IND is no clear signal. 2 buy, 1 sell. Okay. Hope everybody is getting how one can make use of all the 3 technical indicator pattern to make analysis. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt or anything?
Yeah.
See, yes.
Arjun, I have a question. So I was thinking to choose between Idea, Vodafone, Airtel for a short term, like 3 months. Can you give some views on that?
Yes, idea. Let us see.
Yeah. And what about Reliance? It's already at peak right now, and you said it may go down, so I doubt buying it. But for the time frame of 3 months, what do you suggest?
Did I said it would go down?
I mean, there was some, I think, bearish hammer formation, right? That's what you said.
In Airtel.
No, in Reliance.
Yes. Reliance is down. There is according to candle, it is down. Okay, let's see about idea. Clear? My God, I miss this personally. Can you see this? At 4 rupee, it was something like this, and it is a that is how I said work on your work as a team. You guys will understand the importance, because it took me many years to come to this stage alone. But if you guys are working as a team, I'm sure that it would take you a very less time. Am I right? See, if somebody
Yes.
has asked me before something, then we would have picked the idea. Am I right? Around 4 rupee only. Because according to our indicator strategy, it gave a buy signal, right?
Yes.
See, from 4 rupee it went up to 10 and 12 right now. 10 rupee. It is around 2% returns. By no issues. See, right now, idea is in. If you ask me about idea, it is in advancing phase. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Advancing phase. So, in according to monthly candle, daily candle, we are not getting any idea. So, what you have to do is go with weekly candle. Click on the weekly candle. Okay, and in weekly candle you are just getting a entry. Am I right? Can you see this?
Yes. Yes.
Don't think from 4 to it went up to 10. It may go down to 20 also, right? Who knows? So this kind
Yes,
of
sir.
scenario, what is the best important or what is the best thing to come up with is try to draw support and resistance line. If you can observe, this is a support. 12.15 is the resistance, immediate resistance right now. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
And 15 is the immediate resistance right now. And if you ask me a support in downside, this is the line. 9 is the support for me. So these 9, 11 and 15 are acting as really important right now. So based on this, you can see, if you ask me personally, okay, it is a news based market. I mean, idea has went up because of news, because right, Google, yes, Google was talking in touch with the Idea Reliance, Idea and Vodafone to buy, right, to buy around 5% of stake. Hope you know
Yep.
that.
Yes, sir.
So that is the thing. Nobody is clear with this. See, there are three things which are running in Indian market with respect to telecom industry. What are those three things? Is keep it in mind. I'm just writing something. Hope it will help you guys. First thing, right? In Jio, Reliance Jio, Facebook has invested. And the second thing, in Idea, it is not yet confirmed, it is still in a talk, but Google. And in Bharti Airtel, anybody tell me?
Amazon.
Amazon.
Yes, Amazon. So these are running on in entire Indian market. So first deal is confirmed. Clear? Second and third are yet to happen. Both are in a talk. So let us see what will happen according to the news in Indian market. So I would say, one can look for. Yes, I would say one can make use of this support resistance and then they can trade. First thing. Second thing, okay, if somebody wants to buy one among these things, okay, so we are looking at Idea, it is in an advanced phase. Don't think that how come this stock already went up, right? This stock already went up from 4 to 10, it already reached the top. No, nothing is top or nothing is bottom for any stock, because this stock came from 100. Can you
Yes.
see? It was 120 around
Yes, sir.
15. So who knows? It may
Yes.
go to, it may reach 50 within soon. So let us see this Idea. I think you can put 9 as a stop loss and someone can buy 9 rupee, or I would say 10% of your money is a risk. 9 is your stop loss and one can go with a buy. Clear, Tejasri? With respect to Idea for next 3 months. 8.9 is a strict stop loss. And let's see Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, as I already told you, it has given according to indicators, it is buy, and according to candles also, it is giving you a buy signal. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So let us see what will happen. If it goes above, then one can look for a buy entry. And if you can go with the Reliance, it is already in high, and I would say not a clear trend, but I would say for a next week you can make use of this. Below 1571, one can go with a sell. Below 1571 or 1570. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. And yes, I hope I got one more SBI card. Somebody asked me. This is the last we are taking, and then because I have something to teach you today, I have something to cover it up, a special topic. I would say, SBI card, stay away from the SBI at least for few days. Okay. Clear? I'm not getting any proper analysis in this. Fine. But if you're looking for a long term, yes, I would say you can buy around 600 level. For long term, it is really good. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So again, one more. Yeah. So yes, you can see here. Hope the topic which I'm going to teach you will it would have helped in SBI card also. See, you see right now market came to this level and then it went up again. It came and it is going up. Break this. Why this happened? Is it a even though market got broken this, but it didn't sustain down, right? It went up. What is the reason? So why this happened? Why the market didn't go down and all? Let us see and let us understand this properly. So that we call as a false breakout, and the false breakout.